Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the armed clashes in Ethiopia, impact on Horn of Africa and India. He is the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed. He is a Nobel Prize winner. Let's begin with the question. What led Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed to conduct a military campaign in the Tigray region, and how has the fighting affected India and Horn of Africa both? It means we need to provide the details about the military campaign and what is the impact on India and Horn of Africa, what are the measures we need to take in to resolve these issues, and finally the conclusion. Significance of this question that can be asked in GS paper 2 under the headings of effect of policies and politics of countries in India's interest. Our introduction would be, let's first watch the map. This is Ethiopia map, this is Horn of Africa, and this one is a Tigray region which is in conflict and military operation conducted. Ethiopia is a landlocked country in Horn of Africa. Ethiopia Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed reached out the political opposition to restore peace with Eritrea and won Nobel Prize in 2019. However, he failed to maintain the peace for the longer period within the country and declare war on the country's Tigray region. What are the reasons behind this? The Tigray People's Liberation Front attacked the federal military base. Different political ideologies and dissatisfaction between Ethiopian government and Tigray people. Tigray People Liberation Front demand independent election. Then all these things lead to removal of Tigray representative from senior government positions, which further push Ethiopia into a civil war, as well as deteriorate relations with neighboring countries like TPLF fired rocket into Eritrea and that result into a conflict. Then what is the impact of these issues in Africa, Horn of Africa? Bilateral relations become affected with the neighboring countries. People lose their lives, employment, and country's economy became unstable. Then instability generate fear among people, further increase the conditions like famine, hunger, destruction, and damage expanded in all countries. Then attack on civilian human right violation. Then impact on India. It affect bilateral relations. Then Indian investment may also impacted due to these issues, like India provide line of credit more than $1 billion to Ethiopia for agriculture, rural, railway, and rural electrification. India also launched a project Pan Africa in network in Ethiopia. It will also impacted due to these issues. African Union should play an important role to resolve these issues. Government need to make peace, stability to ensure civilian security. Ethiopian government should focus on demand of TPLF and should take decision as soon as possible. Need to organize peace treaty and restore balance between Ethiopians ethnicities, region, and also follow the federal system. Then our conclusion would be, the Nobel Prize winner Abiy Ahmed should rethink on his decision, because instability in Ethiopia not only create conflict, also damage development and lead to further civil war, which is not good sign for the country. So African Union and Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed need to maintain peace and stability. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.